Hi, my name is Jamahl Kersey and I'm a criminal defense and immigration attorney at Kersey Law. This is a quick video on what happens when a person is taken to jail, a process called booking. When officers make an arrest, they have the option of just issuing a citation for the person to later appear in court or take them into custody. That decision depends on how serious the crime is. Petty offenses warrant a mere citation, whereas violent crimes or serious felonies will likely land a person in custody. A person's physical or mental state can play a part as well. If it appears the person is a danger to himself or others, he's likely going to be taken into custody. When a person is taken to jail, booking deputies process them, taking the following steps. The person's name and the crime for which he was arrested is recorded. A mugshot is taken. Fingerprints and sometimes DNA samples are taken. These can be used to cross-reference other law enforcement databases and can be used in connecting people to other crimes. A health screen is performed for the inmates' and deputies' safety. The person's clothes and property, such as a wallet, phone, and keys, are confiscated and locked up for safekeeping. A strip search is conducted in order to check for weapons or any other contraband. They also run a check to see if there are any outstanding warrants or other pending charges. The booking process can take hours depending on the number of arrests, staffing issues, and etc. A lot of people end up making their situation worse by talking too much after getting booked. At this point, a person will not yet have spoken to a lawyer and may not know their constitutional rights. Now, we've all heard it in the movies and Law and Order. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. If you say the wrong thing at the jail, it can come back to haunt you. Really, the best thing to do is not say a word about the facts of the case to anyone. Many people have made incriminating statements to another inmate or deputy, which ended up being used against them in court, sometimes resulting in additional criminal charges. No details about a case or investigation should be spoken to anyone except an attorney. You hear people say they want their jail phone call. Well, that's actually a thing. Under California law, immediately after booking or no more than 3 hours after being arrested, a person has the right to make at least 3 phone calls. One is to an attorney. And this is why it's so important to have a lawyer's card on you, because you never know. A call can be made also to a bail bonds company, and you can make a call to a relative or a friend. As for locating someone who's been arrested, the easiest way to get information is to Google who's in jail. This will take you to the sheriff's website. You enter the person's first and last name, and their information will pop up. Their name and date of birth will appear along with the booking date and time. Also, the charges will be listed. The next steps should be to call a defense attorney and a bail bonds company. So that's the booking process in a nutshell. Stay tuned for more videos walking you through the criminal case process. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time.